Hey everybody, this is Brian back again. My wife told me my last unboxing video was really bad, so we're going to get straight into this one. She didn't like that I sat there and talked with a box for 2 minutes. So you can see I'm already cutting into it. This is a Dwarf Cavendish that I recently ordered. Now, I had ordered one of these back a few months ago and did an unboxing on that one. That plant actually did not survive. That, along with a couple other of my younger banana plants, I think because I had them on the floor and they were getting a draft from a door, they ended up rotting out at the base of the stem, and they're all compost now for other plants. So this is a replacement for that one that I ordered a few months back. So as a reminder, this is a plant that will grow 8 to 9 feet tall because it is a dwarf variety. This also produces edible bananas, which is one of the reasons that I like this plant. So we should get actual bananas that we can eat, as opposed to all of the ornamental types that I grow that produce bananas, but they're not really edible because of the seeds in them. So we should be able to eat these once this plant gets big enough to actually fruit. Now, this Dwarf Cavendish is not as cold hardy as some of the other banana plants, the Musa basjude, the Musa sicumensis, and even the blue java, which is the other type that I have here. So for now, I'm going to keep this as a patio plant because I've only got the one. I'm going to put it in a pot. That way I can bring it in over the winter, make sure that it stays alive. Once I have more of these, I will play around with keeping them outside and trying to keep them alive over the winter in the ground in zone 8. So be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I will be sure to provide updates over this upcoming season on how this plant does, and you'll be able to see it grow and eventually see my experiments getting this thing in the ground and keeping it alive outside. That's it for me. Thanks everybody. Happy growing.